Welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're looking at a vintage ZIPPO lighter fluid container, and this is probably from the 1990s, and it is all steel with a plastic top, and I just happen to have a magnet here. See, the side body is steel. Here's our weld seam right here. So it's basically one sheet folded over, and then the tops and bottoms are also attached. Bottom is steel, and the top plate is also steel. So this features the new child protective spout. And there are instructions actually on how to open that. Here's our danger warning. The caution on the side panel. So this has the little try the fan test for your lighter for the windproof feature. Contents: naphtha, use with care to avoid accidental fires. Keep out of the reach of children. First aid treatment. And warnings there. Here, caution, flammable mixture. Do not use near fire or flame. ZIPPO Manufacturing Company, Bradford, PA. And looks like from the fire code. And there's our instructions on how to use the flip top to open. Insert coin under tip of red spout. Lift spout to vertical. Fill lighter slowly. Do not overfill. Wipe lighter and hands dry before igniting. To close, push nozzle down. Or if you have, I can't reach into that, so yeah, a coin would probably get under that, or some sort of implement to come from the sides and lift that up. So we kind of make do with this. Now we can get a coin under there and flip that up, hopefully, like so. This is pretty empty, but we did hear a little vapor escape, so caution is always suggested. Let's see, ZIPPO fuel for lighters and hand warmers. That's on this side with the fan test. Nothing on the bottom really there. I don't see any date markings. Neither on the top. A little bit of oxidation on the surface. The side with the price sticker from the time, and also a barcode. And also a little logo here, probably from the can manufacturer themselves. You might be able to research that. Looks like an LFS possibly, or US. It might be just for the country of origin. Now what's interesting is the price tag might also help date this more specifically. 89 cents or 89% of $1. And currently in 2022, a can about this size actually costs 10 times as much. So it's interesting how prices have changed over time. So again, this is a quick look at a vintage ZIPPO lighter fluid container. Feel free to check out other show and tell videos on the channel. We also do unboxing videos, as well as a series of book review media reviews, as well as a collection of curios for the curious. Videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.